On an earlier video, I had set up waypoints at Vale to be able to watch the slag dump. So I went for a little trip to check it out. I know that's the color we're looking for, but I think those are lights. I don't think that was slag there. If it was, I missed it when I was flying it. I don't know. I don't know if those are lights or if that's slag that's there. I can't really tell. I wish I'd seen. I thought there were lights when I was up there. Well, next time I'll have to explore those lights. I'm getting first-person glasses, so I'll be able to see better when I go next time. Yeah, that's all for tonight, folks. So we have the waypoint saved. I'll get that slag dump if it's the last thing I do. Bye for now.